What if I told you there's a smarter way to network? A way to find the people who truly get you and can help you unlock your next big opportunity. Now let's skip all the boring cookie cutter advice about business cards or joining conferences. Instead, let's use a concept that's actually kind of genius, borrowed from data science. But don't worry, you don't need a tech background to understand all of this. Welcome to this episode of Human in the Loop. I'm Prakash, a senior data scientist in HR, and today I'm sharing something that I call the KNN of networking, or K nearest neighbors. Now, I believe this is going to help you find your professional tribe. Let's be honest, traditional networking can be like throwing darts in the dark, but what if we could make it more intentional? Now, picture your career as a big party. Your goal isn't to meet everyone. Your goal is to find your people. And that's where the concept of KNN comes in. It's a fancy term from data science, but stay with me. All it really means is this: you group with people who have similar interests, skills, or goals. And those connections, that's your tribe. Now let me break it down for you in 4 easy steps. Step 1, know thyself. What are you passionate about? What skills do you bring to the table? That's your starting point. Think of it like you're building a playlist. What vibes define you? Step 2, choose your K. Now, K is just a fancy way of saying how many close connections do I really need? Maybe it's 5, maybe it's 10, maybe it's 50. But I want you to think about this. Networking isn't about collecting contacts. It's about creating real and meaningful relationships. Step 3, now find your people. Here's where it gets really fun. Use tools like LinkedIn or find and join niche industry events where you can meet others who share your similar passions. Now imagine you're curating a guest list for your ideal party. But while you're checking to see who makes the cut, I want you to remember it's always about the quality, not the quantity. Step 4, connect. Now send that LinkedIn message, set up that coffee chat, join that group. The magic happens when you engage with your tribe. Are you still with me? Let's get real for a second. So you might be thinking, now why bother? What's the research behind it? Well, a 2019 study found that people who network with peers in similar roles are 27% more likely to land career-aligned opportunities. And get this, LinkedIn's 2020 Global Talent Trends report shows that professionals with strong internal networks are 65% more likely to get promoted. Now that's huge. So if you ever wondered why that guy always keeps getting ahead, it's not just luck. He's working his network, and you can too. Now a quick shout out to my fellow outliers. Maybe you feel like you don't fit in any box. Guess what? That's your superpower. Because instead of looking for carbon copies, now you can find people with complementary skills who value your unique perspective. Networking isn't about blending in. It's about standing out with the right people by your side. And sometimes you probably have to make the first step. So here's your homework. Yeah, I gotta give you homework as well. Start mapping your professional playlist. Who do you want in your KNN tribe? And who will you connect with? Now, if this resonated with you, you don't want to miss the next episode where we'll explore the decision trees of career choices. How do you branch out in your professional path? In it, we'll dive how decision trees can serve as a powerful tool for mapping out pivotal career decisions and uncover the best opportunities for your career growth. Until then, keep connecting, keep building, and keep growing. Don't forget to watch this video.